It's day 2 of our 4 meals for 4 people for under $40. Family universally voted for barbecue chicken bacon ranch sandwiches, which is what we had planned. We were going to have an option, but that's what everybody wants as opposed to the chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. So let's do this. Before we get started, I wanted to show you, these are the sandwich rolls we normally get. It's the San Francisco, not San Francisco, it's the Francisco International French sandwich rolls. Comes in a package of 6, at least at the smaller grocery stores or the grocery stores where you're not buying bulk. You buy them in a package of 6 for $3.59, something around there. If you go to Smart and Final, you go to Costco, Sam's Club. I don't know about Sam's Club, I've never shopped there, but if you go to one of those other stores, you get a package of 12 for about 20 cents more. So that's just a little tip for you if you're trying to keep the budget down. Do that. If you like some other kind of roll, more than likely you can get those other kinds at one of those stores for a better price. So, before we get started, I wanted to show you, I have nothing out so far other than sandwich rolls because I pulled them out to show you, but they're still in the package. So, nothing is out. I will be using this pan. That pan was out, slight cheat there, but it was cleaned from earlier today and just still sitting on the stove. So nothing's out. 6:39 right now. Let me show you how fast dinner is going to be prepared tonight. If I was more technologically advanced, I'd have like a little timer running for you down here somewhere, but I don't know how to do that. So I'm going to cook you dinner. I'm going to cook us dinner. I'm going to cook dinner. Really not even going to cook. Let's do it. Had a casualty in the process. $6.50. Dinner's done. Thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying it. Be sure to subscribe. Click the notification bell. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. 10 minutes for dinner tonight, guys. And for $10, feeding 4. Share it. Have a good night.